Hey guys, today we got a pretty big package in the mail, and I know exactly what this is. It's one card and a bonus box that I did a 30 team random and ended up having the Buffalo Sabres and got the bonus box. But before I do that, I'm going to show you these cards, which I also got in the Mailday a few days ago, but I didn't want to. It was the guy who had a lot of packaging, so I figured it would be too long to put on video, so I'll just show you that now. So I had it was a luxury suite break. Have a Grant Klitzim rookie, 152 out of 899. A Tommy Wingels rookie, 402 out of 899. I think those were these three cards were bonuses. This was also a bonus. A Louis Eriksson Fabric of the Game, certified 1112. And that's numbered 202 out of 399. So those three were bonus cards, I think. And these two I just got from a break. It's a from Limited, a Kari Lettinen Crease Cleaners jersey card, numbered 30 out of 99, and a Adam Larson autograph, 133 out of 299. So now for the big package. Let me get the scissors. So this would be the card. And here is the box. So a lot of packaging. Hopefully I can get through this quickly. And there's even more packaging inside, so I don't know how long this is going to take. I'm going to try and make this as quick as possible because I also want to break the box at the same time in this video, not in a separate one. So that's a little message from the guy. And finally we get to the card. It's not an expensive card, but it's still pretty nice. It's a rookie materials of Zach Cassian. Not numbered. It's a box of Score rookies and traded, 10-11 or 11. I think 10-11. So yeah, it's nice. Free cards. Only paid $2 for the team. Ended up getting a nice. So I think it's worth $12 the card, and a free box. But again, packaging takes forever to open on these videos, so trying to open this as quickly as possible. Try and go all the way around, I guess. There you go. So again, all there is in here is 5 gold cards and an autograph. And the whole base set, which I already have. So if anybody wants the base set, let me know. We can work out a trade. So the serial number for this box is 899808823. So hopefully we get something good. Taylor Hall's in this year. It's 10-11. So Taylor Hall, PK Subban, all those some big name rookies. So if we get their autograph cards, it'd be nice. Last box I did of this, I think I got a Matt Tormina autograph, so it wasn't too great. But so I don't know if the autograph's on the back. I think the autograph's on the front. Very hard to remove from the box. That's the back. That's the front. So I'm gonna get just the last cards. There should be 5 gold. I don't know where they are. Here's one. Okay, so the first gold is Jordan Caron, Jakob Josefsson, Ryan McDonough, Chris Summers. That is the autograph, so let me just find the other. I don't know where it is, but it should have been right at the front. Unless it's still in the box. The box is empty. So I think we're missing a gold card. Well, anyway, so here's the autograph. Jakob Markstrom. Actually not a bad autograph to get. One of the better rookies of the year. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, favorite.